Multani Mitti Face Pack for Glowing Skin. Multani Mitti is known for its ability to deep cleanse the skin and give it a natural glow by removing excess oil, dirt, and impurities. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons Multani Mitti. 1 tablespoon honey, for hydration. 1 tablespoon rose water, for soothing. Instructions: mix Multani Mitti with honey and rose water to create a smooth paste. Apply the paste evenly on your face and neck. Let it dry for about 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water. Benefits: this pack helps cleanse the skin, hydrate it, and provide a healthy glow. 2. Multani Mitti for acne-prone skin. Multani Mitti helps absorb excess oil and reduces acne-causing bacteria, making it perfect for treating acne. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons Multani Mitti. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, anti-inflammatory. 1 tablespoon lemon juice, for oil control. Instructions: combine Multani Mitti with turmeric and lemon juice to form a thick paste. Apply to the affected areas, or entire face if needed. Let the mask sit for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse off with lukewarm water. Benefits: turmeric helps with inflammation and redness, while Multani Mitti absorbs excess oils, making it great for acne-prone skin. 3. Multani Mitti Hair Pack for Clean Scalp. Multani Mitti is also great for the scalp. It helps remove impurities, control oil, and promote healthy hair growth. Ingredients: 3 tablespoons Multani Mitti. 2 tablespoons yogurt, for nourishment. 1 tablespoon lemon juice, for scalp cleanliness. Instructions: mix Multani Mitti with yogurt and lemon juice to create a thick, spreadable paste. Apply this pack to your scalp and hair roots. Leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes, then wash off with a mild shampoo. Benefits: this hair pack helps cleanse the scalp, reduce dandruff, and keeps your hair healthy and shiny. 4. Multani Mitti Scrub for Exfoliation. Exfoliating your skin helps remove dead skin cells and promotes smoother, brighter skin. Multani Mitti, when combined with sugar, makes for a gentle scrub. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons Multani Mitti. 1 tablespoon sugar, for exfoliation. 1 tablespoon milk or rose water, for smooth consistency. Instructions: combine Multani Mitti, sugar, and milk or rose water to form a scrub. Gently massage the scrub onto your face or body in circular motions. Rinse off with lukewarm water. Benefits: this scrub removes dead skin cells, unclogs pores, and makes your skin feel fresh and soft. 5. Multani Mitti Face Pack for Sunburn Relief. Multani Mitti is cooling and soothing, which makes it perfect for reducing sunburn redness and irritation. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons Multani Mitti. 2 tablespoons cucumber juice, cooling properties. 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel, soothing. Instructions: mix Multani Mitti with cucumber juice and aloe vera gel. Apply this paste to the sunburned areas of your face or body. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes and wash it off with cool water. Benefits: this mask soothes sunburnt skin and helps reduce inflammation and redness.